is setting slowly and the wind is turning south. I can feel my stomach clawing up and out my mouth. I ask the air to catch me as I whisper and I pray. Songbird, fly away. And I never had a tether in this endless sea of blue, and I never had a problem hurting anything but you. But no matter how it hurts me, so I'm carried on my way. Songbird, fly away. I cannot pretend that I have always kept my word, but everything that grows still has to muscle through the dirt. And though my mind and body ache, my soul will surely say, Songbird, fly away. Both my wings have molted and my feathered head is hung, but the beauty of my lilts and calls have made you drunk with love. If you could understand me, you would sober up and say, Songbird, fly away. Can't you hear me telling you to turn your head and say, Songbird, fly away.